Singing birds, melodies of nature. Listening to birds sing is like hearing the music of nature. Birds chirp, tweet, and sing to communicate with each other. Here are some amazing birds known for their beautiful singing. First, we have the nightingale. Nightingales are small, brown birds that like to sing at night. Their tunes are often used in stories and fairy tales because they are so lovely. Canaries are another type of singing bird. Canaries are small and often bright yellow. A canary's song is very sweet and cheerful, like a happy tune played on a flute. Mockingbirds are very special because they can copy the songs of other birds. It's as if they have a playlist of the best bird tunes. The lyrebird from Australia can not only mimic other birds but also a variety of sounds it hears. It's been known to mimic the sounds of chainsaws and car alarms. How's that for talent? Skylarks are famous for their beautiful, long, and complicated songs. They often sing while flying high in the sky, so their song seems to come from the heavens. These singing birds bring joy and beauty to our world. Next time you hear a bird song, stop and listen. Who knows, it might be a concert by one of these talented singers. The end.